Construction workers are the backbone of our society, shaping the world we live in and turning dreams into reality. They face challenges head-on and turn empty spaces into thriving communities. Every day, they don their hard hats and step onto construction sites, braving the elements and working tirelessly to build our cities and infrastructure. They pour their sweat, skill, and dedication into every project they undertake. From the architects who envision the structures to the engineers who ensure their stability, and the laborers who bring them to life, construction workers are the unsung heroes who transform blueprints into towering skyscrapers, sturdy bridges, and beautiful homes. Their work is not just about bricks and mortar. It's about creating spaces where memories are made, where families grow, and where communities thrive. Through their perseverance, craftsmanship, and attention to detail, construction workers shape the physical landscape of our world, leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come. So, let's celebrate the construction workers who build our cities, who turn dreams into reality. Your hard work, expertise, and unwavering commitment inspire us all. Thank you for your dedication to building a better future, one brick at a time.